Hey, welcome to SAR Trail. You guys know that we are staying at home now for a while. We're not out on the trail. We're not out camping dispersed. We're getting Natalie better and she's starting to make progress. And we're really excited about that. But you guys have asked us to do some camp cooking videos and some things, some new recipes, some new ways to cook. And that's exactly what we're doing now. So what we're going to do tonight is we're cooking pizza over this fire on our Brio Outpost. If you're not familiar with the Brio Outpost, check it out. It's an all stainless steel way to cook over fire, and we absolutely love it. It works out on the trail, and as you can see here, works in the backyard too. So I got the fire going now. We're going to roll out some pizza doughs, and we're going to make some incredible backyard campfire pizza. We've got our pizza sauce made here. We got some herbs from the garden that have seasoned that up. Got a little fresh basil right here. We have our dough over here. And this is made with all-purpose einkorn flour. We're going really simple tonight, just cheese pizza with some incredible pizza sauce on it. And these things are just warm right off the grill. And I mean, look, they came off really great. We cooked the top sides of them on the grill, and then when we throw them back out, we'll set them up with all the toppings on the top, and then we'll cook the bottom side. So already they smell great. So let's dress these things up and get them back over that fire. So, got it on the Brio Outpost here over the fire. We want to melt that cheese, so we put the lid of our Timbo Toscado over the top of it. And let's see how we're looking here. Cheese is starting to melt. We're getting there. A couple more minutes and we'll be good to go. So this is something you can do when you're out camping anywhere that you are allowed to have an open fire. You can cook just like this. And for us, it's perfect because we always carry the Brio Outpost. We always carry our Timbo Toscado. We just get creative, mix the two cooking tools, and here we go. We got this kind of hybrid piece of equipment making us really awesome looking pizza, which will be ready in about 1 minute. right, so Bailey's taking the first bite of our grilled pizza. How is it? Mmm. That means it must be good. All right, I'm gonna try some. Yeah, it's very cheesy. I think this is gonna be fantastic. That's really good. You can even pick it up. All right, so here we go. So we got another pizza on here that is just about ready. So Bailey and I are going to finish these first couple slices off, and then we're going to take that guy and cut him open. So thanks for checking out Star Trail as we camp out in our backyard, and we will hopefully be seeing you guys pretty soon out on some trails or at an overland expo. We got a lot of things in mind, and Natalie's healing up and getting a whole lot better, so we are excited. But for now, we're sitting tight, taking care of business. See you guys later.